Welcome to phone campaigns through UpVote. First, navigate to the advanced search in the admin portal. Search for the voters you want to call. This can be voters with a certain tag, such as members of a local institution, or by support status, zip code, or any other parameter. Tap the three-dot icon at the top to create a group from your selected parameters. Give your new group a name, and check the Create Phone Campaign box. Once you saved your phone campaign group, navigate to the phone campaign dashboard, identify the campaign you just created, and tap the More Details icon. Now you are in your new phone campaign. You can add users to the campaign to assign volunteers and staff to have access to the campaign and be able to make calls. Draft a script so callers can stay on message, and remember to save your progress as you continue to customize the settings. You can customize exactly which parameters and fields your callers will see, such as vote status. And you can also determine whether callers can update fields based on their conversations with voters. Scroll down to see statistics and caller activity once the campaign begins. Next, we'll show you how callers can log into the phone campaign and begin making calls. Go to the UpVote website and log in as a user. Input the phone number your campaign used to create your volunteer account. You'll get a one-time code to your phone to log in. If you do not receive a code, contact your campaign to check that they input your number correctly. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Phone Campaign tab. Tap the phone icon next to the phone campaign you want to enter to begin. You will be prompted to check in for your call shift. Once you check in, you will see the first voter in your call queue. Dial directly on your phone, unless your campaign opted to integrate with an auto dialer. Update fields based on your conversations with voters, schedule a time for a call back, and jot down notes from the call. Save your work and move to the next voter in the queue. Repeat the process until your shift is over, then check out. The next and final part of this tutorial is for managers and lead volunteers who have been granted permission to manage phone campaigns. In the Manage Phone Campaigns tab, you can edit call scripts, add questions for callers to ask, and edit the displayed fields that callers can see and enable update permissions. This way you can have callers collect data that may not be included in your voter file. Scroll down to see the statistics and activity from the campaign to help you track everyone's progress. That concludes our phone campaign tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck.